You want to know how to make more money with your candle making business? Well, watch this video till the end because I'm going to be sharing some tips with you on how to make more money with your candle making business. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 4 tips to make more money with your candle making business. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. Tip number 1 is markets or vendor events. This is by far the best way to get your candle business out there, where the client can actually meet you in person and learn your story behind your business, and also being able to actually physically see your candles and smell them. Because for me, one thing I always say is scents sell. So I feel like this, when a client gets to smell your candle, and if they love it, they're gonna purchase it, and also gets to meet you. And if they fall in love with you and your product and your business and your candles, they're likely to come back. And regardless if you don't sell a candle, it's a great thing to do to give your card out, and they can always go check you out. Which brings me to tip number 2, which is having an online store. Whenever you meet people on market events, you want to make sure you have a place for them to come back and find you. So if somebody makes a purchase from you, or you give them a business card and they want to purchase from you again, you want to have a place for them to come back and find you. Whether it's websites, Etsy, or Amazon, you have to be online. Besides the people that you meet in market events that they can purchase from you online, you also people from other states can find you online. Tip number 3 is offering party favors, whether it's for a wedding, baby shower, or a birthday. People are always getting married, people are always having baby showers, and people are always having birthdays. So whenever you offer party favors, which could be cute little small candles, it's a great thing to do to get your candles out there to more people, because the people that attend the event are gonna get your candle as a party favor, and if they like your candle, they can always come back and purchase your candle. Or if they're having an event and they see your candle and they might be interested in also having a party favor for their next event, they will reach out to you as well. And before I mention the last tip, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Tip number 4 is reaching out to your local realtors. So realtors usually give out gifts to their clients on like a congratulations on your new home kind of gift. You can reach out to them and offer to sell your candles as a gift that they can give to their home buyers. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. See you guys in my next video. Bye.